Okay, guys, it's promised. All right, here we go. So I have completed the setup of some of my smart home devices around my house, around our house, and most of these devices are compatible with Alexa. Okay, they're pretty cool stuff. I'm just gonna run through each device real quick so you could actually see how it works and how it integrates with Alexa. It's pretty cool stuff. I like it. Tracy loves it also. So I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration. So let's do the lights first. Alexa, turn on dining room light.
Okay.
Alexa, set dining room light 1%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off dining room light.
Okay.
All right. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off kitchen light.
Okay.
And I have a bunch of other lights that are hooked up. My kids' light, all these lights in the house. Also, let's move real quick to the bathroom. There is a motion / light. See, right there. So when you walk in there, Alexa, hold on, Alexa, turn on bell.
Sorry, what device?
Alexa, turn on toilet light.
Sorry, I didn't find turn it.
And it's also motion detected. Alright. So it's whatever you decide to name your device. You just tell Alexa, and you set it up in the app, whatever you want to name your device. All right. So those are pretty much the lights. I also have the staircase set up with LED lights. Alexa, turn on stair light.
Okay.
All right. So it lights up the stairs. Alexa, set stair light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set stair light to 1%.
Sorry, I didn't find stair light.
Alexa, set stair light 1%.
Okay.
Alexa, set stair light to 100%.
Okay.
All right. So that's the stair light all the way down. Let's give you a quick glance downstairs, how it looks from this end. All right. Well, nice little ambiance. All right. Let's do the kitchen. Kitchen also has one. Alexa, turn on cabinet light.
Okay.
There you go. Another nice ambiance here. Boom. We have another one here by the TV. Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
Boom, there you go. All right. It's pretty smooth. Transitions very quickly. Once you give the command, she executes. And it just looks beautiful. It just gives your house that warm, warm look. Nice little ambiance, depending on what mood you're in. It also could change to whatever the outside temperature is, or the outside, whatever the weather is outside. You could set it to that. If it's snowing, you give it that cold, snowy look. So this is what we have it set to right now, and you could change it if you also want. I'll show you Another one that we have in our room. Maybe Tracy's in here. Alexa, turn on master light.
Okay.
And we did this red. Just because it's the room. You guys get the point. Tracy's. Alexa, change master light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on master light.
Okay.
Do you plug it out? You did plug it out. You plugged it out?
No.
Yeah, I think you probably plugged it out. Alright, but you guys get the idea. Tracy plugged it out. And I have one last thing. Alexa, turn on Fire TV.
Okay.
Alexa, play Fire TV.
Sorry, I didn't find Sheldon's Fire TV stick.
It's probably frozen because it was playing. Alexa, find comedy.
Getting comedies from Fire TV.
Pretty cool, right? Alexa, play Orville. I mean, the commands.
Here's a sample of Oroville by Mike Boner. Horse Cock Kids.
Yeah, you
and
have to
Danny
pretty much
Boyle.
tell her what you want.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Yeah, so it doesn't. I mean, you have to pretty much give her like exact commands and stuff like that. Let's see. Alexa, play Daddy's Home.
Getting Daddy's Home from Fire TV.
There you
Hey,
go.
Dylan. Morning.
Whatever.
Pretty cool.
Okay, I'm not their real dad.
Good morning, Miss.
Alexa,
I'm their stepdad.
stop Fire TV.
Please put this in the fridge.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Did we do another
Alexa.
girl in the family?
Stop Fire TV.
That's me and Dylan and Mommy.
So great.
Alexa,
And over here.
stop Fire TV.
Is Dylan.
Yeah, you just have to be. Sometimes she doesn't catch what you say, so you just have to say it again. Alexa, turn off Fire TV.
Okay.
There you go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this stuff you could do yourself. You know, just with a little, a little imagination, a little time. You could set this stuff in your house, and it's just cool stuff to have. You know, just smart devices, LED strips, and Lutron wireless Wi-Fi switches. All right. So there you have it. And I'm going to continue putting smart stuff in my home. I'll give you an update every time I put stuff in. I think it's pretty cool. I just want to share it with you guys. I also have a doorbell outside and other stuff to come. All right. Thanks, guys.